Faraday Future is gearing up for a significant milestone with the global initial launch of the FX Super One and Super EAI FACE and FFAI embodied AI Agent 6x4 architecture on July 17th. FF's B2B sales model has made strides since they signed a 100-unit FX Super One deposit agreement with Ariana Motors, a prominent dealership in the Las Vegas metro area, bringing the total number of B2B deposits to 4,100. This partnership is expected to accelerate the company's penetration into Las Vegas's high-end and tourism markets, tapping into tens of millions of high-net-worth users globally. The company's co-creation ecosystem online direct sales model has now expanded to a third state, Nevada, following California and New York. Faraday Future's Phase 1 strategy focuses on 8 key target states, and this latest milestone lays a solid foundation for its expansion plans. In addition to its B2B progress, Faraday Future is launching the official FX Super One B2C pre-order reservation portal for individual users. Starting July 7th at 5 p.m. Los Angeles time, users can pre-register and place a deposit to receive a unique FFID and lock in an official delivery queue number. Following the global initial launch, users with confirmed reservations will receive a one-click priority pre-order link, granting them exclusive pre-order access and priority delivery benefits. The company is also introducing exclusive FX pre-order privileges and policies for all FFAI stockholders, aligning with its Stockholders First philosophy. This initiative aims to ensure that every FFAI investor has the opportunity to own a true AI EV. This progress hasn't gone unnoticed, with Faraday Future being officially added to the Russell 3000 index. This development could significantly boost the company's visibility and credibility among institutional investors, analysts, and financial media, potentially expanding its stockholder base and enhancing liquidity. Looking ahead, Faraday Future will host a private reception at the Capitol Hill Club in Washington, D.C. on July 23rd, where it will engage with members of Congress, senior government officials, and industry stakeholders to discuss automotive industry tariffs and subsidies, AI EV innovations, and the future of the domestic electric vehicle industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.